Students, today I am continuing the chapter logarithm. That is the chapter test. Okay, from the book chapter text, check your progress. There are 7 questions given. I am doing number 1 C. Express each of the following in the logarithm form. Means it is exponential form given. You have to write in log form. How to write? Let's see. Convert into logarithm form. Question given 4 to the power 0 is equal to 1. How to convert? That means log 1 base 4 is equal to 0. The base is 4, you have to write log 1 base 4 equal to 0. This is the answer. See the second part question given, number 1, 81 to the power 3 by 4 is equal to 27 given. How to convert log? That means log of 27 base 81 is equal to 3 by 4. This is the answer. Next I am going to third part. Third part question given 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to 0.001. If you convert into logarithm form, this will be log of 0.001 base will be 10 equal to minus 3. Okay. Log 0.001 base 10 is equal to minus 3. Number 1, all the parts completed, 3 parts. Let us go number 2 question. Question number 2, it is given like this. See the question number 2, it is given. Express each of the following in the exponential form. Means it is given logarithm form, you have to write in exponential form. See there are number 2, 4 questions are there. Let's solve one by one. Log 16 base root 2 is equal to 8. That means root 2 to the power 8 equal to 16. Second part given log 0.125 base 8 is equal to minus 1. That means 8 to the power minus 1 is equal to 0.125. Third part given log 125 base 5 is equal to 3. That means 5 cube is equal to 125. Fourth part given log 1 by 8 base 2 is equal to minus 3. That means 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 8. Let us see one by one. Question number 2, first part given log of 16 base given root 2 is equal to 8. If you convert into exponential form, the answer will be root 2 whole to the power 8 is equal to 16. Okay, this is the first part completed. Let us go second part. Second part question given log of 0.125 base given 8 equal to minus 1. This means 8 to the power minus 1 is equal to 0.125 is the answer. Next I am doing number third part. Third part is question given log 125 base given 5 equal to 3. This one is a logarithm form. That means 5 cube is equal to 125. This is the base and this is the power and this is the value. This is the answer. Next one is number fourth part. The fourth part question given log 1 by 8 base given 2 equal to minus 3. That means this will be 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. This is the answer of number 2 fourth part. In this way I have completed number 2 4 question and number 1 3 question. Okay. Just number 3 you see. Question number 3. Question number 3 it is given express each of the following as a single logarithm. See. Question number 3, it is given express each of the following as a single logarithm. Question given, just to see I am writing here. Question number 3, first part. There are 2 parts are there. 1 minus 2 log 5 plus 3 log 2. 3 log 2. This is the question given. Okay. That will 1 minus log. This will be 5 square. Plus log 2 to the power, this will be as power, That means it is coming 1 minus log 25. This is log 8. Okay. And 1 means you can write here log 10. Log 10 base 10 is 1. Log 10 plus log 8 minus log 25. Okay. Next you have to do, see these two are plus sign. That means this will be 10 into 8. As it is plus sign given. The minus given is you have to divide. Okay. So finally it will be how much? Log of 5, 5, 10, 5 to the 10. That means log 16 by 5. This is converted to single logarithm form. Okay. Number 3, first part completed. In this way I have completed how many questions today? 3 questions from number 1, 4 questions from number 2, and 1 question from number 3. Okay. Try to practice more. Read all the sums for your benefit. Thank you for today's class.